Plus software. Designed specifically for heavy-duty repair. We were forged in the mountains of Montana, not the Silicon Valley. Developed in the heavy-duty industry by the heavy-duty industry to support specific heavy-duty mechanic needs. Building with you day by day whenever you need us. No obstacle too big or small. Our staff of industry professionals is here to help you every day, knowing your concerns because we've lived them. Our staff and our software isn't built for heavy-duty repair. They are heavy-duty repair. Forged over 40 years' time, improving and innovating for decades. No hidden fees, month-to-month contracts, and customizable users and features. Plus software won't lock you in the fine print. Will win you over with loyalty.